Want your packaging to impress customers? Which is more cost-effective, labeling or direct printing? Let's break it down today.
This video will help you make the right choice between labeling and direct printing on cartons, especially suitable for small brands and workshops. Labeling means applying pre-printed stickers onto boxes, ideal for very small batches, compliance barcodes, or quick market testing. Strengths are quick startup and flexibility, but the downsides are extra steps, higher material cost, risk of bubbles or misalignment, and added waste from glue and backing paper. Direct printing means printing graphics straight onto corrugated or craft paper. It's usually done in one pass and supports quick design changes and variable data, like unique QR codes. For small to medium runs, direct printing eliminates manual labeling, cuts per box costs, and ensures a unified look without sticker edges. So how to choose by cost and speed? For just a few dozen trial boxes, labeling is cheaper and faster to start. But for repeat monthly or seasonal shipments, or if you want consistent branding and eco-friendly packaging, direct printing usually wins. Example: e-commerce brands often need flexible designs. Direct printing easily handles variable QR codes and promotions. For food delivery or pizza shops, instructions or branding can be printed right on the box, cleaner and more durable. From a sustainability perspective, direct printing avoids backing paper and adhesives, making recycling easier. Plus, full box printing enhances the unboxing experience and strengthens brand perception. Looking for the best packaging solution for your brand? Whether it's labeling or direct box printing, Sublistar can provide professional support. Contact us today to make your packaging more efficient, sustainable, and valuable.